Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts in large quantity. We will cover everything from scaling your ingredients to achieving that perfect golden brown finish. You'll learn essential techniques for efficient mixing, optimal proofing, and consistent frying. By the end, you'll be equipped to produce delicious donuts for any large gathering or commercial setting, ensuring quality and taste every time. When making donuts in bulk, precise ingredient scaling is paramount. Use a commercial-grade scale to measure everything accurately, ensuring consistent results across all batches. For mixing, a robust stand mixer with a dough hook is essential. Mix the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, reaching a temperature of around 75 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal yeast activity and gluten development. Proper proofing is crucial for light, airy donuts. Place your shaped donuts in a warm, humid area, allowing them to double in size, which typically takes about 45 minutes. For frying, maintain your oil temperature precisely at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry each donut for approximately 1 minute per side, ensuring a beautiful golden brown color and a thoroughly cooked interior without being greasy. The final touch is glazing and finishing. Have your glazes and toppings ready before the donuts come out of the fryer. While still warm, dip each donut into your desired glaze. This ensures maximum adhesion and a smooth, even coating. Allow any excess glaze to drip off before placing them on a cooling rack. Then, add sprinkles or other decorations for that perfect, irresistible presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.